Hey, my name's Thomas, and I'm starting over. From now on, this channel is going to be all about staying productive and focused as a software developer. So if you haven't already, like and subscribe to the channel. I'm starting over this YouTube channel because I realized that it hasn't been as cohesive as I want it to be. It's not very focused, and I realize that. I know that it's not focused, and I really want it to be focused. So as you can tell, I changed up my background a little bit. The desk is now over here, the background is over there, and I really want to start making videos that are going to be compelling to other people and are going to be helpful for other people. Because when I look at my videos, I feel like they're helpful, but they're not the best that they can be, and I want to get better at that. Not only that, but I want to continue to motivate myself as a software developer. Why? Well, I work from home, and I know the struggles that come with working at home. I don't really have a lot of accountability from other people walking by my desk every day. I know that as a software developer, it's easy for me to lose track of time. So my idea for this YouTube channel is really to help people that are working from home that want to be a little bit better at what they do, a little bit more productive in their day-to-day environment, a little bit more focused when they're coding and when they're talking to other people. Because coding is just a piece of it. It's not all of what we do as software developers. A lot of what we do as software developers is collaborate with other people that are not as technical as we are. We provide features for different products on a daily basis, right? Or maybe you're a freelance worker and you're constantly building out different features for different products all the time. So again, it's very important that we collaborate with other people and that we know how to work well with other people. And that's really what this channel is about. In saying that, I don't disagree with remote work. I actually encourage remote work. I think it's super helpful, especially when I have a personal life, right? I'm married, my wife's about to have a baby, and there's a lot of things that we need to do in the house to get ready for having a child. And being remote really helps with that. But at the same time, it's very easy for me to lose focus and to not be productive at work because I have so much stuff going on at home. But you know what? Having apps like Todoist really help me stay on track. Having apps like Notion really helped me to collaborate well with other people on my team and in my organization. So my goal for this channel moving forward is going to be all about productivity and staying focused specifically as software developers. If you're interested in that or have any suggestions for me, please like and subscribe to this channel. I would love to make a video on any suggested content that comes my way. All right, with that being said, I hope you have a great day and a great rest of your week.